I would like to share ideas about what exactly success does it mean in our life. Your definition might be different what I am thinking, or what I am thinking might be different what you are thinking. But that's okay until and unless we are on a same boat and thinking that what success does it really mean. That's the matter, and that is really matter. Okay, so here I would like to share about what exactly success is, right? The practices to achieve success, to gain success. Okay, as per the World Health Organization, it says that there are almost 1,000 people commit suicide every day in the world. It is just the old data that I have been actually taken from the World Health Organization (WHO). Okay, there is another even key thing that I would like to share with you, that every 2 minutes someone in the United States attempts suicide. And now these are the data which you can also avail from the WHO website. Each day nearly 70 people succeed, but are the are that success? Well, success is not a thing that you can go into the market and buy from a shop. There is nowhere shop, or there is nowhere place that exists that you can buy success with money. There are only simple daily routines. There are simple steps that we need to follow in order to achieve success in our life. And as we go, I would like to share some of the fundamental key points to get success with you. Okay, so if you have your notebook, you can write it down, the points what I'm going to share with you. These are the fundamental key points which help us to get success in our life. Okay, so the first fundamental key point is fix goal. Fixing goal in the life draws us near towards success. We need to decide to fix goal to achieve success or destiny. For example, let's say the train. When train depart from one station, the train master, or the one who drives the train, he or she knows that what is the destiny, which is the station that they have to go for. They have to look for the station. They have to look for the destiny. They cannot just assume, they cannot just leave the platform without being decided that where they have to hit it, they have to go forward. So the fixing goal is really important in life. When William Carey he decided to go to India, first of all he fixed goal what he would like to achieve in his life. Back in his hometown, back in his home church, he used to listen about India. He used to listen about the social issues that is been going around in India, and that is where he fixed goal. He fixed goal in a way that he would like to go and bring reformation in the Indian society, and that is why the William Carey, he known as the father of modern mission. So first of all, in order to succeed, in order to achieve success, we need to fix goal. Fixing goal in life is a fundamental key point. So in order to success, we need to make sure that we have fixed goal. Until and unless you do not have fixed goal, you cannot decide that what succeed or what success you are going to achieve. So first of all, make sure that you have fixed goal in your life. Now second point is good education and preparation. One of the main thing we need to consider is we need to learn. Good education really impact our whole personality, and it decide how we can achieve the goal what we have determined. There is one very quotation in Marathi, Vatsal tar Vatsal, read is read. You might have heard or read in your school days, or maybe on Google's surfing when you surf, you can read this very famous quotation in Marathi, Vasal tar Vasal, read is read. The kind of education is also important in one's life in order to achieve goal, in order to achieve success, in order to make sure that if you would like to think that okay, this is the achievement that I'm looking for, so you need to really think the kind of education you are looking forward. See, there is good education, bad education. Now you need to be wise enough what education you are looking forward. Okay, right education is the step towards making real lasting success, means fulfilling the purpose of life. So right education is very much important. When you have right education, you know the purpose of life. Only achieving success, getting success is not the purpose of life. For example, you have decided that you want to become, and once you achieve the very dream what you are dreaming of, but you are not happy in your life, that success is meaningless. So in order to have the success, in order to have the meaning that you are really looking forward to fulfill, you need to have a right education. And not only right education but preparation. For example, there is a character in Bible, Moses. He had almost 40 years educations. He gave himself in education. He had almost 40 years to learn each and everything. And not only that, but he made sure that after getting his education, he gave himself again for preparation. So he had theoretical educations. He learned from the textbooks, from his scholars, from the scholars from that time, from the laws, from the Torah, from Pentateuch. He learned a lot of things, but simultaneously he gave himself for preparation. So practical. So he has theoretical education, simultaneously practical education. So good education and preparation does really impact in order to gain success in one's life. So first is, as we discuss, fixed goal, and second is good education and preparation. So make sure that you have fixed goal, you have good education and preparation. Now third point is good health. Now it is one of the key fundamental characteristic in one's life. If you really think that you want to be a successful person or you want to successful women in your life. When I was in fifth standard, one of the shlok, one of the mantras, our teacher used to recite every morning, and that is, it is in Sanskrit. Shubham karoti kalyanam arogya dhana sampada. This is also in English the very phrase, a very famous phrase. Health is wealth. So it means that health is really important in one's life in order to achieve success. So until and unless you have good health, you cannot say that you are a successful man. Good health is also important as good education, as fixed goal in your life. For example, let's say you fix your goal and simultaneously you have good education, you prepare enough to reach your destiny, to reach the very target what you are dreaming of, but you are lacking good health. It means somewhere you will go, but in the middle of your journey, you will just collapse. You will just lack your journey to accomplish the destination what you are really looking forward. So good health is really important. We used to recite every day in the class, when I was in fifth standard, Shubham Karoti Kalyanam Arogya Dhana Sampada. Health is wealth, my dear friends. So you do not have really good health, you need to really take care of your health. Nowadays, youth, kind of especially youngsters, the teenagers, they are really busy with the social media. They are really neglecting the very essence of their good health, the good physique. It is okay that we are in the 21st century. We need to really update with technology, but simultaneously we need to really think about the good health, the value of good health in order to achieve success. Now, my fourth fundamental key point is energy, drive, and constant propulsion. As good health is essential, similarly, we should to try to restore energy. We have a good health, but for example, we do not have enough energy, drive, good propulsions, so we lack to achieve success. We lack to reach the very destiny. Many people have questions how one should restore or develop energy. Now there are various methods, or there are teachers who could tell you that how we can restore the very energy, the drive propulsions, constant propulsions in a life, which can sharp your mind, which can sharp your body to get that very drive. Along with good health, you need to have a good energy and drive in order to reach your success. Okay, for example, let me give you another example. Zakir Hussain, one of the best, tabla, the one who plays tabla in Indian instrument.